In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam connection error. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So one of the basic fixes to this problem is to go ahead and checking your internet connection. So on the taskbar, go ahead and click on your internet connection and make sure your online and other website or apps are working. And what states here is that you are connected to the internet. And another thing you can do is to go ahead and restart Steam. So fully close the app into your system tray and then relaunch it. Third thing you can do is to go ahead and reboot your PC. So go ahead and head over into your Windows Start menu and then click on Power and then click on Restart. And the next thing that you can do is to go ahead and run Steam as an administrator. So right click on the Steam shortcut on your home screen and then click on Run as Administrator. Another thing that you can do, lastly, is to disable your VPN or proxy, since this can interfere with Steam's connection. And that's basically how you can fix Steam connection error. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.